Welcome all. This is our lecture 5, and in this lecture we will cover the topic attributes and the heading tag. Before this lecture we have discussed about and learned many kind of tags. Now today we will learn about attributes. What are the attributes? What is the use of this attribute and why do we use it in our program? So let's start today's session. This is the definition of attribute. But if anyone say you that what is attribute, then attribute is the additional information supplied to an tag. It means the attribute will be given or supplied with a specific tag. Its standalone will not used, but will used with the tags. This is the format of using attribute. Like this is our tag, and after tag, as we all know, when we will separate two things or two attributes, two tags in HTML, we will separate them with a space. Tag space attribute and equal to value. Clear? Attribute and the value of that attribute. Content and tag close. This is the real life example. This is the tag A and href its attribute, and this is the value supplied to its attribute, and is a close. And the number of attributes is not fixed. You can use multiple attributes as per your needs. I repeat again, as per your needs. You can use multiple attributes with the same tag. So this is all done for attributes. Now we will learn about headings. Heading is a tag. Heading is also a tag. As in our books, in our library things, in our documents, we have some headings. Or we can learn it at like it's different from the other text. HTML provides 6 different types of headings or 6 different levels of heading, we can say. These are from H1 to H6, and the highest level of heading is H1 and the lowest level of heading is H6. This could be a multiple choice question, MCQ based question, that what heading tag is largest or which heading is lowest. Okay, so you can use it according your needs, where you have to use H6 or what level shoot for your web pages, you can use it. This is the output. We will see in demo also. Let's check this. In live demo session, take it, program. This is our program. Now check its output. It's the previous output. Yes. Now this is our output. It means you can check it. H1 heading level 1. It means heading level 1 is highest and the H6 is lowest. Okay, you can use these according to your needs. We can change the size, shape, color also with these heading tags with the help of CSS. We will discuss these in the later videos when we will discuss about CSS. So this is all done for this lecture. Prepare your good quality notes.